Blasted Hope by Leonora Florentino. What gladness and what joy are endowed to the one who is loved, for truly there is one to share all his suffering and his pain. My fate is dim, my star so low, perhaps nothing to it can compare, for truly I do not doubt, for presently I suffer so. For even if I did love the beauty whom I desired, never do I fully realize that I am worthy of her. Shall I curse the hour when the first I saw the light of day? Would it not have been better 8,000 times if I had died when I was born? Would I want to explain, but my tongue remained powerless, for now I do clearly see to be spurned is my lot. But would it be my greatest joy to know that it is you I love? For to you do I vow and promise I make. It's you alone for whom I would lay my life.
Nasawing pag-asa, isinalin ni Richard Gonzalez. Anong saya at panatag ang mayroong minamahal dahil mayroong nakikiramdam sa lahat na may hinanakit. Ang mababa kong tadhana, wala na yatang katulad, dahil sa akin walang kaduda-duda na ako ngayon ay naghihirap. Datapwat ako ay nagmamahal sa isang dilag, wala man lang isang pahiwatig. Kung mayroon akong kahalagahan, isusumpa ko ang panahon nang ako'y isinilang, mahigit sa 1,000 mas maganda. Kung mamamatay ako noong pagkasilang, gugustuhin ko mang ipaliwanag, pero ang dila ko'y di gumagalaw, sapagkat kitang-kita kong maliwanag, na isa lamang kasawian ang aking matatanggap. Pero lubos na ang aking ligaya, ang pagkakaalam mong may pagmamahal, at aking isumpa at patunayan na sa iyo lamang ako'y mamamatay.
Introduction. The poem Naplay e Namnama, or in English is Blasted Hope, was written by Leona Florentino, a famous Filipino poet who is known as the mother of Philippine women literature. Even though she was talented and could write both in Spanish and Ilocano, she wasn't allowed to go to school because of the gender restriction during the Spanish colonial period. In this analysis, the poem is being looked at a true feminist lens, which means on focusing on how women are shown in the poem and how gender roles affect the message of the poem. The analysis will explore how women feeling and voice are shown in the poem and how it reflects the way of society viewed women and their roles, especially in relationships. In simple terms, the analysis is about understanding how the poem shows women's emotion and struggles in a society where they were often limited by gender-biased expectations.
The analysis suggested that the poem expresses the speaker's intense love for our women, while also highlighting feelings of inadequacy or powerlessness in conveying that love. But from the view of a feminist perspective, the poem can be interpreted as a reflection of the struggles and oppression women face, particularly during the Spanish colonial period. Dahil isinulat nga ito ni Leonora Florentino sa isang panahon na matinding di pagkapantay-pantay ng kasarian, malamang na ipapakita ng kanyang tula ang mga limitasyon at pang-aapi na ipinatanaw sa kababaihan. Maaaring may mga temang hindi kaari-ari sa kanilang mga boses, kawalan ng kalayaan o mababang pagtingin sa lipunan sa kanila, sapagkat sila'y mga babae laang. Each stanza reflects different aspects of this oppression. The first stanza suggests that women are often seen as emotional support, expected to provide comfort, but not valued beyond that role. Meaning, ang mga babae daw po ay madalas itinuturing bilang sandala ng iba, ngunit hindi binibigyan ng sapat na halaga bilang individual. In the second stanza, the speaker reflects on their lowly fate, symbolizing how women were treated as inferior and oppressed by patriarch norms. Isinasalamin nito ang mababang pagtingin sa kababaihan, kung saan sila ay tinuturing na mas mababa at inaapi ng mas nakakataas. third stanza conveys the pain of unreciprocated love, reflecting how women's emotions are undervalued in society. Ito ay sa mababang pagtingin sa kababaihan, kung saan sila ay tinuturing na mas mababa at inaapi ng mga pamantayang nakakataas. The fourth stanza speaks to the psychological toll of mistreatment, even leading to thoughts of death. Ito ay ang kakulangan ng kalayaan sa pagpapahayag at edukasyon ay sumasalamin sa pagsasawalang bahala sa karapatan ng kababaihan. The final stanza portrays the sacrifices women make in love, giving everything despite their struggle. Pinapakita ng mga kababaihan ang sakripisyo na patuloy sa pagbibigay ng sarili sa kabila ng kanilang paghihirap. Ang tula na ito ay hindi lang pagpapahayag ng lungkot at pagkawala ng pag-asa, kundi isang matapang na puna sa diskriminasyon at pagsikil sa kababaihan noong panahon ni Leonora Florentino.
In conclusion, this analysis of the poems look at how women are shown in the literature and how gender role, society expectation of men and women shape the meaning of the poem. When we look at each part of the poem, we see the woman often portrayed as a distant or hard to reach, with deeper meaning and hidden in the text. The author's own life experience helps us understand this, as they show how society ideas about gender affect how emotion and relationship are described in the poem. In that context of Filipino culture, the poem reveals how social norms around love and gender shape the way emotion, especially in romantic relationships, are shown and or expressed.